Fulton County District Attorney has agreed to pay a $6,500 state ethics fine for failing to disclose his role as a CEO for two nonprofits.
One of those nonprofits paid DA Paul Howard at least $140,000 in city grant money to supplement his salary.
As senior I-Team reporter Del Russell reports, the fine comes days before a hotly contested runoff election.
All in favor, say aye. Aye.
By unanimous vote, the State Ethics Commission accepted a consent agreement that found Fulton County District Attorney Paul Howard violated campaign finance laws.
We're glad to get that resolved.
Howard, who is fighting for his political life, failed to report at least $140,000 he received from a juvenile crime prevention nonprofit he ran while acting as district attorney.
In Mr. Howard's case, he was taking on payments from nonprofits that he wasn't reporting. He was obligated to report those. There could be a far bigger issue, which is he was sitting in a public role as a DA and also taking on compensation from an outside source.
With the campaign finance violations behind him, Howard is still under criminal investigation for the same violations. Earlier, the I-Team reported the GBI is investigating how it was City of Atlanta grant money that was given to the nonprofit controlled by Howard. The majority of the money ended up as a salary supplement for the longtime district attorney.
I do know that there are other potential investigations and other issues that may be looked into.
The I-Team also reported how the GBI is investigating whether Howard's office issued grand jury subpoenas in the shooting death of Rashard Brooks when there was no grand jury in session.
That request has been sent through the chain of command to the agents who are working this particular investigation. They're aware of it.
Former mayoral candidate Mary Norwood also reached a consent agreement with the commission about her mishandling of campaign contributions. The commission fined her $27,000 for accepting excessive campaign donations.
And for Ms. Norwood, I'm sure she wants to put this behind her and maybe put politics behind her. I don't know.
Atlanta City Councilman Michael Bond was given what the staff called a gentleman's agreement due to hardship to have more time to pay off an earlier campaign fine of $39,000. From Atlanta City Hall, Dale Russell, Fox 5 News.